All right, history on this vehicle. Came from another shop. It is a Honda Civic, and it is, I'm looking for the year, 2000 Honda Civic. You see the snow, Frosty the Snowman there on the section line. Customer told the last shop I went at that it stopped blowing cold, and they replaced the blower motor. Now your spidey senses and your bells and whistles are going off immediately because I already showed you the iced up line. Now let's get back to this. The shop, another one here in San Francisco, replaced the blower motor because her AC stopped. She went out, she came back. I don't remember what the story is. They showed me the receipts. I know what shop this went to. The blower motor went out again. The AC stopped working. So under warranty, they replaced the blower motor. Getting really icy. So they replaced the blower motor again, a second time. And the shop told her not to use the AC on maximum on high. And that was their cure. And the AC stopped working again. So, shall we take hints? Is it a defective, what's the damn name of that little tiny thing it senses temperature? Man, I'm having all the evaporator temperature sensor, the Mr. on the evaporator temperature sensor. Did somebody do something funky to a charge? I didn't get any information about that. But let's hook up the old Autel and see if we could read a evap sensor on this. I don't know. But yeah, so 2 blower motors were replaced. She was charged. And okay. But see, this is what we have to put up with here in San Francisco because there's not a lot of air conditioning that goes on. So you go in a shop and it has 5 or 6 different guys, and maybe one of them have experience, but if you divide the machine up in all the AC most shops in San Francisco will get, every technician only gets a little tiny bit of experience in air conditioning. So nobody can look at really obvious symptoms of something going on.